In this video we are creating Roxy, a mini dress style macrame accessory made with sparkling rhinestone cord. You can choose to add crystal pendants for extra shine, or keep a more minimal version with just the shimmer of the cord and soft fringe at the hem. Roxy carries a jazz-inspired mood, evening elegance, velvet textures, celebration, stage lights and a subtle retro character. It looks striking, yet the overall look remains refined and modern.